Hi guys, today I will show you my favorite chocolate candy. This one is Ferrero Rocher. So I have one here, so I will open this later on. But first I want to weigh this product. So just turn the scale. So right now it is in grams. So with the packaging it's about 13 grams. So I'll just open this now. So with the nice packaging, with the also with the logo here. So I try to measure the weight. This one. So about 13 grams. So this is negligible. So the diameter is about 1 1/4 inch. Then I want to cut this one to show you what is inside. So outside a lot of like a hazelnut and chocolate. Then cut this one. Oh, it's not centered, but it's okay. Let's see. So there's a hazelnut at the center. Then this one is like a soft chocolate. But right now it's quite cold in the room, so this one a little bit not really melted, but see here. So basically it's like a Nutella. It's really good. This is really delicious chocolate. I'll try this now. Really good. Try the other half. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.